Tribute and homage to late Sri Bopala Ramji, Colonel Bansla Sahab, Veer Ugma ji. I pay my gratitude to Honorable Member of RPSC, Sri Ramu Ramji, Dr. Sri O.P. Devasi, Manju ji, respected scientists, all respectables from teaching field, and sitting in this beautiful panorama, elderly scholars, youth, sisters. This historical program, which is held by a very pious idea, keeping in many issues in our mind, that this program must be the harbinger of changes. Changes in educational field, changes in social field, changes in political fields, overall changes. Because we, the service class people, we are the representatives of this society. So, Sir Nimbaramji gave a very detailed and study before this program. Sir put many figures about our history from Indus civilizations to nomadic lands. I am Manak Ghund. Sometimes when I see surname of me as a Ghund, then many people ask, are you this Ghund or that Ghund? How can we say? I am not fond of putting my surname behind my name as a Ghund. But there is a history. There is a reason. It is a fact, as Sir told, that from Mahabharat Kal, from Indus civilization, from the nomadic lands, we are always in the center figure. Due to some circumstances, due to our daily life, we got backside. But now, watching this beautiful panorama, I am seeing the beautiful colors of all Rajasthan, from Pratapgarh to Sri Ganganagar, Kota to Jaisalmer. This picture gives us the uniformity and integrity. Education is the most powerful weapon to bring all the changes. This is a quote quoted by Nelson Mandela. So this is the education behind all these changes we are watching here. And I think by discussing, by thinking, by gathering all the resources we have, putting all together, we will progress speedily in educational field. As in my previous speech and in my talk, I have already told that what type of the needs we have here. I think the competitive exams, which is one of the biggest hurdle for our students, there we need to give them some specific type of the sources, and actually I am taking some more time here, but I think the ladies and the girls and sisters we are seeing here before us, Dr. Ambedkar said, I assess progress of the society by watching the status of women. How many women are front runner? How many women we have in front line? That's the That's the essence of change in a society. So I feel that this program will certainly give us a message and direction to go in the right direction. Mother Teresa once quoted that I alone cannot be the change in the world, but I can cast a stone to create ripples in the water. मैं मेरे छोटे से प्रयास से हो सकता है कि मैं समाज में अपनी ओर से अकेली या अकेला परिवर्तन न ला पाऊं, किंतु मैं अपने एक छोटे से प्रयास से एक हलचल को पैदा करूं. So I hope and I'm very happy to see you all people, your gestures, your seriousness about the program and the success of this program. I'm very thankful being a worker in this program. Thank you very much.
धन्यवाद.